strong. How could I manage to... Oh boy, oh boy. I think I could not manage that. We have separate each other. Like one of us have to cross the river, but the current is too strong. But the cliff is so stiff that is once you fall off, you're gonna fall down on the river. Or crossing, yeah, on video.
So yes.
Base camp of Lenin's Peak. So we're planning to go to Traveler's Pass, which is 4,150 meters above sea level. It's a little bit cold out here. Here are the base camp of Lenin's Peak. These are the accommodation that you could pay for about 1,000 some, which is about $14 a night. Free breakfast and free dinner. Kiwi guy from Auckland. So here's another base camp here in Lenin's Peak. If I really want to climb Lenin's Peak, I should have all these kinds of equipment. These are Russian hikers.
This is like
Clouds. This is only few Russian climbers who died climbing Lenin's Peak. It's a little bit hard to walk now because it snowed last night. We are nearly about 4,000 meters above sea level. Halo, halo.
Palatkas tibia.
We are now here in Traveler's Pass and I met a guy from Belgium.
Hello.
From France and Germany.
I love Baguio.
So that's Peak Lenin, which is about 7,100 something meters above sea level. And in 1990, there's about 40 people died avalanche.